Hello guys. Previous period we started our fourth lesson direction and map. On this period we identify how to identify our four direction. For the experiment, teacher who arrange the student face to face in front of each other and ask few questions like that: which direction in the teacher's table, which direction is a blackboard, which direction is a clock, which direction is the main door. So their answer is different because of the face is in a different angle. The girls and boys to stand in a face to face, that's why the front side of the boy in same way our answer your answer about the main door, and the teacher table also will be different from this the girls and boys facing you. Boys side is right and girls side is left. Therefore, in the order to tell the exactly where on the object located, we use a direction. At first, you mention the four main direction. We highlight this the wall. Look at north, east, south, and west. We also know that student, when with our teacher's help, write the names of your four main direction in the wall: north, east, west, and south. There are a main four direction, guys. Now stand facing each other again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, and teacher's table are located. Now your answer and answer of the girls and boys facing will be the same here when we highlight the main direction. Like that, this wall is the north, next is the east, and other is the north. Let us learn how to find our direction. Last previous period I will teach you east, west, north, and south. There are four main direction. How do you find them, this student? Do you know that, student? Our sun is a very important things. Sun gives us the heat and sunlight. Those direction the sunrise, it is called to the east direction. Those direction the sunrise, it is called to the east direction, and those direction the sunset, it is the west direction. Between the east and the west is a north direction, and between the west and the east is a south direction. Try these the activities in the open at sunrise. You also do these the activities at your home, student. When those side is the sun rising, your face on that direction is the east side and opposite of the west side. The large form is given below. Your house is in the center at the frame. This frame has a yellow strip on the each is the four direction, writing the direction: east, west, north, and south. Look at this picture, student. On which side of this the east? The arrow shows that the east direction, because of this side is a sunrise, that is the east direction. So you fill up in this the slate is the east direction. In the straight of the side opposite of the east opposite west direction. On this direction is a sunset. North and south will be the written in the remaining two strips. So think carefully where they should be and write down the words is proper strips. North and south. In the frame shows the following thing near in your house at the right place. Like our neighboring houses, one shop near your house, one tree is here also, the road is nearby in front of, otherwise in the backyard, The bus stop is nearby. Now see what your the neighborhood look like. We ask few questions about your friend, about your parents, and find there the direction, which direction your friend house. The sun rise and the sets every day. That is why the sun is used to determine the direction. सूरज रोज़ निकलता है और रोज़ डेली वो अस्त होता है, और इसी वजह से हम लोग इजीली डायरेक्शन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. मैग्नेटिक नीडल एंड कंपास इज ऑल्सो यूज बाय द डिटरमाइन द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ डायरेक्शन. आस्क योर टीचर और पेरेंट हाउ टू शो इट इज़ यू. आपके घर में भी मैग्नेटिक कंपास होगा आपके दादाजी के पास, आप उसको भी देख सकते हैं गाइज. What is the solution? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve the problem. Can you help them? In this picture, the east is a mark. Use that to write other three direction in your yellow boxes. This here is the east direction. It's the north direction and it's the south direction. We will travel in east direction if you want to grow from the ice cream parlor. In which direction must we walk? Answer. In order to go the ice cream shop, Amar must walk to the west direction. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. सारा को बस स्टॉप जाना है, तो वो किस डायरेक्शन में वॉक करेंगी? सारा मस्ट गो टू द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. Use the direction in a map, guys. Is our India map, is the Indian political map. Look at this, the cross. In always in our map show the direction. The direction on the map have to the match with the direction of the ground before reading this map. Upper side is the north, down side is the south, and between the north and south, west opposite east. For example, east on the map must be marked on the east of our surrounding. By doing this, you can tell at once the direction of the place shown on the map. Use this method while reading this map is your textbook too. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में भी मैप दिया हुआ है, आप उसको अच्छे से रीड कीजिए.
Help them. A. In this picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other directions in the yellow boxes. Now, on the opposite of east, we will have west. On the right hand side, we will have north, while on the left hand side of the east is south. B. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Well, we will travel in the east direction if we want to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop. C. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction he must walk? In order to go to the ice cream shop, Amir must walk towards the west direction. D. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Sarah must go to the north direction. Use of directions in maps. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. That is, the map must be aligned with the direction on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. By doing this, you can tell at once the directions of the places shown on a map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too.